The supermini segment on the European market is more competitive than ever with the launch of the new Ford Fiesta, Volkswagen Polo, Citroen C3, and Opel Corsa. Renault Clio entry is one of the oldest and is expecting its well-deserved retirement when the new generation model arrives in the fall of this year. According to Auto Express, the new Clio will make its official debut during the Paris Motor Show in September and will go on sale a couple of months later. It will bring a number of very important improvements over the outgoing model with focus on efficiency and comfort. Based on an updated version of the current CMF-B platform for lower development costs, the city car will be available with a reworked version of today's 0.9-liter turbo gasoline unit and with the new 1.3 turbo in various power outputs. The British publication suggests the Clio might not receive a diesel option given the current market trends, but we believe the immortal 1.5 DCI will survive. Probably the most interesting variant will be a mild hybrid, using a gasoline engine paired with a 48-volt electric system for lower fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. A plug-in version is not in the cards due to its complexity and high price. Renault will also try to reduce the weight of the car to make the task of the powertrains much easier and boost the fuel efficiency. This will happen by adding aluminum to the construction, putting thinner glass, and installing a simplified braking system. In terms of design, the new Clio will retain the basic shape of the current model, but will add some fresh details like C-shaped headlights, similar to those used in the Megane and Talisman. Much bigger changes are expected in the cabin, where the engineers and designers will work to completely overhaul the looks. Naturally, we will see the brand's latest portrait-style tablet controlling the car infotainment system. Renault design boss Laurens van den Akker is also promising higher quality materials for the interior, giving the hatchback a slightly more premium feel.